Hey guests, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I am participating in an open collab called Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by Amethyst Adventures and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So today I'm showing you my summer Fiesta Tablescape. So I'm starting off with this beautiful lace trim Fiesta tablecloth and those beautiful woven placemats. I top them with my white charger plates and then place those lemon yellow melamine plates. On top of the lemon yellow plates, I place those beautiful Fiesta saucers. I use lemon yellow napkins with colorful coloring. I added the yellow stem wine glasses along with the clear stemless glasses filled with those multicolored ice cubes. And here's my summer Fiesta Tablescape. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video to music. So guys, if you enjoyed seeing how I styled my summer Fiesta Tablescape, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. So guys, please don't forget to go over and watch the host channel and the playlist. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.